Hi everybody, welcome to our life in the Philippines. Just before Christmas we got some cameras that showed up that we had ordered around, I believe, December 10. Some cheaper cameras, and today I'm going to show you one of the cameras, and I'm primarily bought it for the very reason that I wanted a camera for moto vlog, to be out driving around and get some good footage. And I've noticed one of the things with these little cheaper cameras, you know, if they're not GoPro and higher quality, the stabilizers on the cameras are absolutely not good. They're to a point where you can actually not use the video footage. However, this camera that I got is a Andoer, and the model is AN100. It's a 4K at 30 frames per second, and it does 1080p at 60 frames, and I believe even 720 at 120 frames. So from that standpoint, the camera is good. It creates good footage, but once you stick it on your either steering wheel or somewhere, hardwire it to the motorcycle, the video becomes unusable. So I came up with one idea on how to try to fix that, and that was mount it on the helmet and to see if the body absorbs some of that vibration, and it actually works out pretty good. And the camera is a Andoer. And I'll try to show it to you a little bit like that. I'm going to show you in details here in a minute. Comes with a waterproof casing. The camera goes right into it, and you just lock it down, and now you have the waterproof casing. They claim it's waterproof down to 45 meters, and we will see about that. Not that I'm going to go 45 meters deep, but we'll see about that. So here comes the more detailed description, what's included in the package and everything. So towards the end of the video, I'm going to try to show you some footage from my last trip that I actually did take with this camera. So stay tuned and watch the whole video. It's about 7-8 minutes long. It's not going to be long, and you will get some video footage. Alright, let's get into the packaging and the box it arrives in. It arrives in a small little black zipper box with nice padding and everything, so that's a pretty good thing. Again, it's a 4K at 30 frames per second. The camera comes with a lot of gadgets too, and I'm going to get into that in a minute here. The waterproofing casing seems to be pretty robust, and like I said, I have used the camera on my motorcycle, and I will show some of that footage in the end here. If you hang in there, you will see some of that footage in the end, and I will also show what to do and what not to do as far as stabilization, because the stabilization is not good. The water casing is very simple. Has a big clamp on top. Most of them do. And what I like about this camera is that it does come with a external microphone input. So some of the feature buttons, on the front you have the power button, power indicator, and the light below there that you do not see on is the charging light. Again, what I said is the external microphone input is a good thing. You have a USB for transfers, and you also have a HD out, so it's kind of a mini HDMI out, so you can actually use that. The casing is very simple and solid in my opinion. Now to the gadgets. That's the motorcycle handlebar or wherever you want to mount it. I did that. I did not like it because the camera has no good stabilization. That's an extra lid for the cover for the casing. And I think that, yeah, that's our helmet mount. And I strapped mine, and I will show that here in a minute. I strapped mine to the helmet with a couple of straps to secure the addition. It comes with a manual. The manual is fairly simple. What I do not like about it is the fact that the print is so small, so I gotta have magnifier glass to read that thing. Other than that, I'm pretty satisfied with the camera, and I'm coming up here and I'm going to show you some footage from the handlebar, which is going to be shaky, so I apologize for that. It also comes with a casing. I use that little casing when I use it with a selfie stick or something, then I'll mount it on there, and it works pretty good too. So if you stay tuned here, the video samples are coming up.